Secrets of English, prepositions in and from. Let's set out on a beautiful trip across Nepal and master the magical connectors in and from. A journey on the Sanja bus. Imagine you are sitting cozy on a Sanja bus traveling along the hilly highway. You are going from Pokhara to Kathmandu. While you are traveling, you keep your lunch box safe in your backpack. Can you feel the difference between these two special words? Okay, now pause the video and predict which preposition belongs in the blank. Prakash is picking delicious apples, blah blah, his garden. Okay, very good. Prom is correct answer, and you earn the two predictor badge. Now we will explore some. Let's see here and see how preposition completely change based on position and direction. Okay, now we will start harvesting. From tree, we will pick the apple. Okay, you earn the apple picker badge. Congrats. Now, see, the apple fell from the tree. Okay, now we will put apple in doko. And see, the apple is safe in the doko. And now we will send back that apple from doko to the apple tree. Okay, now the apple is on the Mustang tree. Very good. Now we will explain some. Okay, preposition from is preposition of origin, means we use from to describe the starting point, source or origin of something or someone. See, for example, water flows from the Himalayas. Okay, preposition in is preposition of place. We use in to show that someone or something is inside a closed space, boundary, container, or location. Look, fish swim in the Theva lake. Very good. Now we'll practice some questions. Okay, pause the video and guess. Prakash bought sweet apples, blah blah, the Marfa fruit market. Okay, very good. From the Marfa fruit market. Now, second question. The children are studying quietly, blah blah, the grade 4 classroom. Very good. The children are studying quietly in the grade 4 classroom. Now, last question. A cold breeze is blowing, blah blah, the snowy Himalayas. Very good. From and you earn the grammar master badge. Again, congratulations. Let's see. Mustang apple farms. Mustang is famous all over Nepal for sweet, crispy apples. Big trucks carry boxes filled with sweet apples from Marfa to local markets in Pokhara and Kathmandu. Think about it. Without prepositions, our sentences would fall apart. We wouldn't know if the apples are on the truck from Mustang or in the village. Okay, now comment below the sentences using in and from.